Good afternoon, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader, 3:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on October 25th, 2021. Happy Monday. This is not financial advice. It's educational. Click the subscribe and the bell. Be notified of these videos when they come out. Click the thumbs up and share the video with your friends and colleagues who are interested in the greatness of the graph, as well as iExec or RLC. Twitter link below the video if you care to hear about intraday updates. In the meantime, the graph to the dollar is starting to show signs of life. The signs of life hopefully will live on past the $7, $8 range. This seems to be an area of initial resistance, and then after that, the next spot would be 127. So we're gonna have to see this thing pan out, obviously, but definitely we are melting up in short order. We started at 65 cents. We hit a high of $1.07 today, so we're in good shape on the graph. In the meantime, going over the graph relative to Bitcoin, I think we're gonna have some line of resistance right around here in the 1800 range, very likely. And if we do, we'll have a nice checkpoint to see if we can break it. And if we do break it, I think that would be the momentum we'd need for this thing to explode up. In the meantime, taking a longer term view look of the graph relative to Bitcoin, this is what we're talking about. We need to get over this 1814 level. It's important. Anyway, so let's move on to RLC real quick. Now RLC, and I'm just going to draw this as we go, definitely hitting a line of resistance here. The resistance is at 430. We hit 439 briefly and then pulled back, as you can see right here. Popped up, came right back down. So we need to continue pecking at that yellow line, that pesky yellow line. Once we get over that, then we easily could reach $5.11. It's very likely. But just taking a look at some of this action here, it looks like this thing's up for a while. And if you look at the support line down here on the diagonal, we're looking around $4.06. So this is actually a pretty good sign, and I think RLC will do very well. I own a lot of this as well, both graph and RLC. Now, if we look over here, we're still bouncing off this line. We're continuing some sideways chop on this 6,500 handle on the RLC to Bitcoin pair. I'd like to see us get back over this one, but time will tell. In the meantime, Bitcoin US dollar is on its way up again. I think we're going to still see 80,000 by the end of the year. I wish I could take a bet with someone, but why would I need to? I just buy Bitcoin for that. Anyway, Bitcoin dominance starting to kind of curl back up a little bit, back into the line of the channel. It's kind of a skewed channel here, but like everything else, it's not perfect. I think we're going to wind up churning back up a little bit on Bitcoin dominance, and that's pretty much it. So just quick review. Graph relative to dollar, we got to get past $1.08 in earnest, and I don't mean a half a day. We should be over it for a day or two to show that we've reversed pattern completely and are trajecting up. Graph relative to Bitcoin is going to have some resistance at 17.99. RLC showing resistance at 430. Got to get over that line too. And here we're staying over the support line for the RLC Bitcoin pair over 65.28. Anyway, I'm out. Talk soon.